This dashcam recorded police chase which involved several police cars. Fleeing driver ended up in the ditch.
When I said, because I do. And he left, and everybody's like, dude, that was such a vogue. Oh my gosh, you had such a vogue. And I was like,
Jesus. I just got into a wreck.
This lady driver got rear-ended while waiting at the red lights. Driver who hit her decided to ditch the scene.
Okay.
Lady said that there was over $8,000 damage on her car.
He just drove off. Yes, I'm fine, but he just drove the off and he has no car tag.
Don't chase him, call 911.
No, I'm not. I'm going. Let me go. Love ya.
Love you.
Bye.
Saturday, sun and clouds, another pleasant day, and a mild afternoon, a high of 53. And then Sunday, still mild as clouds have increased, rain likely, most likely to come in.
Hundreds of thousands of pallet converters. Holy fuck.
This driver of the blue car probably didn't see the oncoming traffic, causing an accident in which, by the looks of it, nobody was injured.
Что, дед? Я на зеленый ехал.
Check out this unusual accident. Driver went under the truck. Luckily, he is alright.
Is that what I think it is?
What do you think? What caused this driver to go in wrong way? Driver went too fast in the sharp corner and caused his car to roll over.
Oh my.
Oh.
Oh my.
Wow. What in the f was that?
Distracted driver almost ends up in a direct crash with the truck. Mustang driver couldn't make the turn because he was speeding.
Oh! Damn, that guy crashed. Oh! Oh! Hope he's okay.
slow down all you want to. We can run 30 mile an hour for all I care. I'm standing right here. There's plenty of opportunities to get around you if you kept putting the speed up. I ain't racing in the weather. Woo, got four-wheeler out of control.
This driver got sideswiped by a white pickup truck driver who took off immediately.
That car honked at them too.
Are you sure we went this way?
Going. Gotta go that way, baby. Okie dokie then.
Thank you for watching this video. Make sure to comment down below on which clip you like the most. Also, don't forget to subscribe and like this video.